Hey everyone, this is Isabel from the community team here at SolidWorks. If you are attending 3D Experience World for the first time, here are some must-attend events that you shouldn't miss. On Sunday, you will have the chance to attend several SolidWorks user group meetings focused on a variety of topics. Sunday is also the opportunity to expand your resume with exams, including the CSWE. On Sunday afternoon, we are having a meetup at 3:30 for first-timers in the Hive, where you can network with other newbies and hear from 3D Experience World experts. To close your busy day, the playground, which is the heart of this event, opens directly after the first-timers meetup. Monday kicks off with general session, thus commencing the running of the nerds. After general session, you can attend your first technical session of the week. At 4 o'clock on Monday, the community team is hosting the Annual SolidWorks Community Summit. This is your chance to learn about the SolidWorks User Group Network and how to become a SolidWorks champion. Join this session to network with the best and brightest of our SolidWorks communities. Tuesday has several opportunities to highlight the amazing women within the SolidWorks community. Check out the Danes of Design, the Women in Tech Breakfast, and the Women in Tech panel. Tuesday night is party time. Get ready to explore one of the most iconic science and innovation destinations in the world, the Houston Space Center. As we close out the event on Wednesday, don't miss the SolidWorks Top 10 Enhancement List meetup, where the heads of the SolidWorks R&D team talk about this year's top enhancement ideas. And finally, on Wednesday's general session, we will highlight our community leaders on main stage and hand out a few coveted awards. Checkmate. If you have any questions at the event, just find a 3D Experience World Ambassador. See you there.
What are you doing in my office?
Oh.